welcome back to my channel. It is December the 26th. It's around 6:06 p.m. My son, he has a play date today at the ballpark here. It's called the Enhance. It's like a light show or whatever. So we just made it here, and I didn't pay for the parking, so I gotta figure this out. But I'll definitely turn the camera around to get some footage for you guys. But just made it. There it goes.
Biggest ballpark I have.
If you're single, it's so beautiful, so pretty. So this is at the Las Vegas ballpark in Las Vegas. My baby is on his play date with his friend.
Hey, Mom, hold my drink. Come on.
Hey, I'm not ready.
I'm scared.
Come on.
I'm scared.
Me too. Shoot.
Oh, crap.
Shoot, I'm getting on the rail.
Messiah and Kate. Oh, sorry, babe. Sorry. Buddy,
I'm getting on the rail.
you gotta get on the rail first, Katie. Sorry. You got it? Be careful.
I get on my hands so much.
Y'all okay?
No. This is actually harder than I thought. It's harder than I thought.
It's harder than you. Look at Messiah.
Go hold it up. I don't
Katie, be careful, buddy.
Okay, baby. You gotta hold on my hand. You want me to fall? No, that's weird.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It is Thursday, December the 28th. It's what, 2 days after Christmas. Normally I take my daughter to the mall the day after Christmas, but your girl was down.
Top of the memories I've ever made in my life. Too many days to see. The ladies was pimped tonight. Living inside a dream. I say we're the love.
That's cute, Lundy. That Bugs Bunny. I love my city, y'all. So London and I are about to have lunch here if they're open at the Capita Grill.
Baby, it's the pressure of knowing that I'm watching you perform.
Yes, that's perfect. Thank you.
I know the fire's burning, but baby, there's no need to be alarmed. Oh, yeah. And you can be the rain that's falling, girl, and I'll be the thunderstorm. Oh, yeah. You got no need to be nervous, because you are safe in my hands. I'm sure you've been needing my service. Baby, your wish will be my command. Cause I'ma touch you in my mind, kiss you in my body. If you give me time, I know you won't be sorry. This ain't bumping ground.
Having lunch at Capitol Grill. And we are literally enjoying the view. The view is everything. The view is everything. Just taking some time to reflect. And God is so good. He's amazing. And the things to come this year for my family, my husband and I, is if people only knew our story, you'd be in a position to take your daughter to lunch at Capitol Grill. Pretty much being able to do what you want. It's a good feeling. I'll have her get some footage of the view on from her.
Ease you down, cause I'm trying to go through tonight. Posing hoochies left and right. I just want good in a fantasy. I think we deserve it right. Top of the memory.
Let's try this.
Yeah, that's enough water. Okay.
Oh, I'm sorry.
No, you're gonna take your time.
London and I had a successful lunch date. This is what London used to put on her lips, y'all. Use that. We're gonna go in a shoe place for London, and then we're gonna get home. So I just made it home. I'm so happy. London and I, we've been out since earlier. It's 2:32. And before we were leaving the fashion show mall, guys, guess who I ran into? I'm so happy. I ran into Pastor Jamal Bryant, the pastor from Atlanta. When I tell you guys, I took a picture with him, and I'm so happy. When I say I am so elated, I am so happy, because I was just telling my daughter when we were having lunch in Capitol Grill how this lady, her name is Keita, I met her when I first started my job at downtown in Las Vegas. She was just telling me everything that I would go through, everything that my husband and I would go through, and she was telling me, it just really amazed me. And then I'm just standing there waiting while London goes into the store, and my eyes were so big. I'm like, Pastor, and we just walked to each other, gave each other a big hug. We talked for a few minutes, and he was just saying how the blessings over my life, and I know that, and I'm just forever grateful. And just some things that I go through personally, and I love God. I love the Lord. He's amazing to me. He's given me so much insight. My intuitions, my discernment is very strong, and things that he forewarns me a lot about things to come and what's gonna happen and things like that. And I can take it all the way back a couple of months ago, the discernment that was given to me that I was gonna lose someone, and I did. My cousin passed away, so it's very strong. So I protect myself in certain areas as well as spiritual for sure, because I love the Lord with all my heart, all my mind, might, and all my soul. But yeah, I just wanted to come on to share that with you guys. I am so happy, and that made my God. His sermons got me through so much. Like, I'll listen to them at work and I'll write stuff down, and it's just amazing to know that he's here in my city in Vegas, and I was able to run into him today. So that blessed me, and I wanted to come on and share that with you guys.
Somebody to just shout out loud, 2024, all of my prayers are gonna be answered. Y'all ain't got that thing yet. Next year, there will be no unanswered prayers. I'm waiting for somebody in the back. Next year, the prayers I forgot about, the prayer that I thought I was disqualified for, the prayer that I talked myself out of, beginning on January 1st, whatever the enemy tried to block, he got till December 31st to do it. But if I live to see January 1st, my prayers are gonna be answered. Pressed down, shaken together, and running over. I can't hear a praiser in here. My mama's prayers are gonna be answered. My grandmother's prayers are gonna be answered. Here's where you praise them. What I prayed for my child, what I prayed for my son, what I prayed for my daughter, what I prayed for my business, what I prayed over my body, my prayers are gonna be answered.
So thank you guys for spending the day with me. I'm getting ready to end this vlog now. And the best part of my day was meeting Pastor Jamal Bryant.
Bye.
That was such a blessing. And my pound cake here is with me. And we're going to end the vlog. Say bye, Vegas babe.
Just walk away from the fire.
Say bye, Vegas babe.
Bye.
Bye, y'all. See y'all tomorrow.
Bye.
Yes, and we're recording from the Canon Power Shot. It's the mini one that I got for Christmas, so I'm really excited to upload the footage to see how it looks. But yeah, what Santa say?
He said Christmas. Santa.
Yeah, so yeah, guys, I'm getting ready to end the vlog. See you tomorrow.
Bye.